I am so excited to be announcing the launch of two new products that are hitting our website today at sewyours.com, and that is our printed vinyl and faux suede collection. Now, I have been wanting to carry printed vinyl and faux suede for about a year now, but space was a factor for me. I've quickly outgrown my studio that I moved into a year ago, and I went ahead and decided it was time to go ahead and get some warehouse space so that I can bring in the vinyl and suede. And I'm so glad that I did. I absolutely love these products. The vinyl and the suede is perfect for domestic sewing machines as well as semi-industrial and industrial sewing machines. I've sent out the vinyls and suedes to 10 different bag makers so they can go ahead and test out the products and let me know their feedback on that. If you want to go ahead and hear some of their reviews, stick around to the very end of the video where I go ahead and share their feedback. Overall, they loved it. We've had several testers go ahead and make the bags on their domestic sewing machines, and they had no problem at all. Now, if you do have a project that has very many layers, you might struggle a little bit, and that's pretty much understandable if you are sewing on a domestic machine, but you're going to love this. So today in the video, I'm going to share with you the printed vinyl, the faux suede colors, and then you guys can go ahead and start shopping on our website at sewyours.com. While I've been very busy photographing all of the new vinyl and suede for the website, I did squeeze in some time to sew up a couple of examples for you. So here is a Kensley tote that I made. It is slightly modified from the original pattern, and I used the cranberry faux suede for this bag and paired it with a quilting cotton that I had up here on my wall. And I think this bag is absolutely stunning. I used gold hardware, which really pops against that cranberry faux suede. You can purchase the hardware and the zipper tape that you see on this bag on our website. So that is bag number one. Next up, we have a slightly modified tag-along bag. So I just removed the zipper on the front flap closure right here. And for this one, I used our Cottage Flowers printed vinyl, and I went with our mustard faux suede. I tapered in the gusset a little bit, changed up the handle slightly. So those are the changes that I made to make this modified tag-along. I think that these two colors pair together beautifully. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the 10 printed vinyl designs that I brought in. These are exclusive to Sew Yours, and these are going to be limited edition. So if you see something that you like, I recommend that you go ahead and purchase it right away before it's sold out. I want to keep the website fresh with new prints, so once we sell something out, we will be replacing it with a new design. All of our vinyl comes in pre-cut rolls that measure 18 inches by 53.5 inches wide, give or take 1 inch. So these are going to be nice and convenient, easy to store for you and use. Since these are pre-cut, if you order a quantity of 2, you are going to get 2 separate rolls. All of our prints have been printed on a pebble texture vinyl. You should be able to see this in the video when I show you the close-up shots. Our first print is Azure Blooms. This is a beautiful semi-abstract floral design in varying shades of blue and turquoise with some white flowers. Next up, we have Crimson Blush, another floral design in beautiful shades of red, pink, and white. I did pick primarily floral designs. That is something that I really enjoy working with is florals. So you will see a lot of florals here in this collection. Next, we have Midnight Blossoms. So we've got these hot pink flowers set against a navy blue background with some gold accents in those flowers. So this really pops. Here's our Mosaic Blooms print. And this is a semi-geometric print with a floral design on it in pink and turquoise. This next one is one of my favorites, and this is Tranquil Petals. This is an abstract floral design featuring pink, white, and gold on top of a navy blue background. And like I showed you in the bag earlier, here is our Cottage Flowers print. Love this design. It gives a lot of fall vibes with these beautiful warm colors in the floral print. And here we have Peony Pop. This was another popular one. So the peonies are purple and white with some turquoise in there as well on a navy blue background. And here we have Sunny Meadow, another gorgeous one with rich and warm tones. So we have peonies again in pink and purple and white set against a warm yellow background. This next one is pretty fun. We're calling this one Twisted Reality, and it basically looks like a rainbow braid on this one. Now, I had one of the testers go ahead and make a glam and go on this one, and I thought it came out adorable. And our last print is called Feather Frenzy. So here we have pink and turquoise feathers set against a black background. Next up is our Savannah Suede collection of 9 different colors. So our Savannah Suede is so luxurious. I wish that you could feel this. It is so soft. You're going to love working with this suede. And it is a faux suede. So first up, we have our beige color and blush. This is a beautiful shade of a soft pink. We've got a stunning teal color and a warm mustard color, followed by our gray, then our cranberry that I showed you on the Kensley totes, followed by our navy, which is a staple in my sewing room. I love the color navy. Here we have our chocolate color. Lastly, we have our black. This is a matte black, so this one does not get that two-tone look like the other colors do, but this is a great staple in the sewing room as well because it goes with so many different prints. So there you have it. That is our brand new line of printed vinyls and faux suede. We do plan to continue to carry our Savannah Suede collection in all of the 9 colors because I think you guys are going to keep coming back for more because it is a nice kind of neutral that you can pair with any print that you'd like. In addition to sticking around at the end of the video to see the tester feedback, I am also going to be sharing with you our Matchmaker series. And that is where I match up our printed vinyl and faux suedes together that complement each other. Just like this trio right here. We've got our blush suede, tranquil petals, and our navy blue suede. Those 3 look gorgeous together, and you could use all 3 of them together on one bag, or you could just go ahead and pair a print and a solid together. So go ahead and shop all of our printed vinyl and our Savannah Suede collection on our website at sewyours.com. And lastly, I wanted to share with you that we now offer our Sew Woven fusible interfacing on auto shipment. That way you can set it and forget it and never run out of woven interfacing again. We offer 1 month, 3-month, and 6-month auto shipments. I'll leave a link in the description box below so you guys can check that out and sign up for a plan. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. I cannot wait to see the bags that you go ahead and make with the printed vinyl and the Savannah Suede. Please feel free to share all of your makes on our Facebook group. Again, I'll put a link in the description box below. You guys can go ahead and join that group. If you haven't done so already, make sure you sign up for our newsletter as well as our text messaging alerts to be notified when new prints are released. Thank you so much for watching.